Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to order a new card from Lloyds Bank in a quick and simple way. If your card is lost, damaged, or about to expire, the easiest method is through online banking. Log into your account and go to the Cards section where you'll find the option to report or replace your card. Select the reason for requesting a new card, such as lost, stolen, or damaged, and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Make sure your address is correct, as your new card will be sent there. You can also use the Lloyds mobile app to request a replacement card in just a few taps, which is very convenient. In some cases, Lloyds may ask you to confirm your identity using a one-time code sent to your phone. Once your request is submitted, your new card will usually arrive within a few working days, ready to use. Subscribe the channel for more videos.